In last session, we see the linear search example and explanation. Today we'll see the how to write a program for linear search. Okay, so this is our code for to run and execute a linear search program. Okay, now the program execution compiler, the program execution controller first execute the main function. Nothing but the program execution start from the main function. Then the compiler moves to declaration stage. So here. So what we are declaring? We are declaring the array variable and size, nothing but size. I indicates to use for to repeat the looping statements, and S element nothing but a search element here. So this program requires 7 into 2 bytes, and n requires 2 bytes, I require 2 bytes, and S element requires 2 bytes. Means 14 plus 16. So to run this program, we require the 20 bytes of memory to execute this program, because of each variable, each integer variable occupies 2 bytes of memory in the main memory. So right now, what will happen after completion of after allocating the memory for size A of array variables? Now let us assume here this is the array variables. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now, we got a memory allocation for n also. We got memory allocation for I, and we got memory allocation for S element also. Okay. All are filled up. By default, all are filled up with what here? All are filled up with garbages. Okay. So because of why it is going to be filled up to garbage? Because by default this variable will act as an auto. So storage class concept. So by using storage class concept, we are saying that this integer will act as an auto variable. So each auto variable by default having the value is garbage. Okay, run. Then after completion of the memory allocation of each variable, now we are going to give the official size of an array. Okay, before by default we mention array size equal to 7. Now we are mentioning as the array of size equal to what here? Enter the size of the list. Now we are entering the size list equal to 5. Okay, array size equal to 5. So here percentile d n. Now this 5 value is going to read by this percentile d, and this value is going to be stored in the location in the n. Now n will have the size equal to 5. Now array size equal to what here? Array size equal to 5. N value equal to 5. Already we said that array for what purpose we taken the size? Array purpose. Now what will happen? So array size officially we taken 7, but we are taking the size equal to 5 here. So means we having the location 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it having the garbage values because of until we didn't initialize the values into the array. Now, so even though it having the address location 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008 and 1010. So next, after completion of this step, next what will happen? Moves to the next line. Enter any percentile d, nothing but here size nothing but n value equal to what here? 5. Enter any 5 integer values into the array. Because of we are going to give the values into these location to instruct the user, we are printing this message. Now, so these for loops are used to insert the values into the array. Insert values into the array. So now here I equal to 0 initialized. Now what will happen? This I equal to what here? I equal to 0. Now so 0 is less than n. N equal to what there? N equal to 5. 0 less than 5. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. When the condition is true, what will happen? These block of statements are going to be executed. Here we have only one statement, that is scanf, to read the value into the location of a of I. I value equal to what here? A of I equal to 0. Nothing but a of in the location a of 0 value. In the a of 0 we are inserting the value. Whatever the user entered, the value equal to, let us that 5. Okay, now 5 value is entered into the location called a of 0. A of 0 location, we are entering into the value called what here? 5. Whenever at least one value inserted into the array, what will happen? The remaining locations are going to fill up automatically with zeros. So these are called the null values. Okay, these are called the null values. Before that, it is having the garbage value. Whenever you fill up at least one value into the array, automatically the remaining locations automatically fill up by what here? Null values. Null values are nothing but zeros. Then what will happen? After completion of this statement, again loop going to be repeated, because of here we are using the increment operator plus plus. Nothing but if I use increment operator, it going to be increased plus one value to the existing value. What is the existing value here? 0. Now I will increment it to plus 1. Nothing but I equal to 1. So 1 less than 5. Condition is true or false? Again the condition is true. Then in the location a of I equal to what here? I equal to 1. In the location a of 1, we are going to enter the value equal to, suppose let us assume that 3. Okay, let us assume that 3. Means this 3 value is going to be stored in the location a of 1. Now, so this before that it is 0. Now we are overwriting with a value equal to what here? With value equal to 3. After completion of that, what will happen? Again I value get incremented to 2. 2 less than 5. Condition true or false? Condition is true. Then again what will happen? Again we are going to insert the value equal to in a of 2. Now, so similarly we are going to insert the value equal to what here? Let us that 10, 8 and that is in the 13. So once we reach to I value equal to 5, then what will happen? The 5 is less than 5. Condition is what will happen? False. Now this block of statements are completed. Then next what will happen? It moves to the next instruction is called printf. What is the instruction here? Printf. Enter search element. What is the search element now? Search element we need to enter. Then my search element is equal to what here? My search element equal to 10. Now this before that it is garbage value. Whenever you are entering the value equal to 10, now S element will have the value equal to what here? 10. So with that 10 we are going to search in the list. Okay. So already we know that this is the array of A of 5. So now we have the reference index numbers A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3 and A of 4. Now, so this is the logic. From here to here we are writing the logic for linear search. Linear search. Now come to here. So here we written the for what purpose we written? To search each element in the list. Means we need to move into where? We need to move into the last position of the index number. So when you take an n is nothing but what here? 5. Means, so when you take in 5, when you come into 5, so when you take an n equal to 5, then what will happen? We need to search 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and when you got 5, we need to terminate the condition. Right. Now I equal to 0. 0 is less than, now n equal to what here? N equal to 5. So 5, what will happen here? 0 is less than 5. Condition is true. When the condition is true, now these block of statements are going to be executed. Then in this block of statement we have the another block called if. Now if block going to be checked. So here if S element equal to A of I, S element equal to what here? S element equal to 10 is equal to A of I equal to what here? I equal to 0. 0 is nothing but what here? A of 0 value equal to what? 5. Now, so 10 is equal to 5. Definitely the condition will be false. Okay, the condition will be false. So here again what will happen? The loop get incremented. Okay, loop get repeated with I equal to what here? With I equal to 1. Because of I will become incremented to plus 1, because of here we are using the post increment operator. So whenever using the post increment operator, plus 1 value is going to be increased to the existing value. So here before that I equal to 0, now I equal to what here? I equal to 1. So 1 less than 5. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. When the condition is true, again what will happen? This for block of statements are going to be executed now. So in this for block statement, again we having the block statement. So here, if S element equal to A of I equal what here? I equal what here? I equal to 1. A of 1 value equal what here? A of 1 value equal to 3. Now 10 is equal to 3. Condition will be false. Again what will happen? This block of statements are not going to be executed. So then automatically what will happen? For got increment, for loop getting repeated with I equal to what? With I equal to 2. Because of again we are using here. Again increment operator will be executed. Now again we are checking the condition 2 less than 5. Condition is true or false? Condition will be true. Again what will happen? These for block statements are going to be executed. Now in this for block statement we having the A block statement. So S element will be remains same 10. So A of I equal to what here? A of I equal to 2. A of 2 equal to what here? A of 2 equal to 10. 10 equal to 10. Condition will be true. When the condition will be true, this block of statements are going to be executed. So here what we have in the statements? We have in the two statements. One is the printf statement, another one is the break. So first printf statement will be executed. Element found at index number. What index number? Percentile D. Percentile is now I here. I is what here? I equal to 2. Means it going to be printed element found at a 2 index number. So after completion of this printf statement, next it moves to the break. So why we need to break the procedure? Because of we found the search element in the index number 2. So no need to execute, no need to search. So A of 3 and A of 4. By this we are going to terminate the procedure by finding the element 10 in the list of array. Suppose if the element is not present in the list, how we need to execute the program? See here. So here we having the list of elements are 5, 13, 5, 3, 10, 8 and 13. So before that we taken search element is 10, that is available in the list. But if the element is not present in the list, let me take search element equal to what here? Search element equal to 15. So by using these two statements, what will happen? We are going to take the search element equal to what now? 15. Now search element is 15. Okay. So now what will happen? Again same procedure. I equal to 0. Why we are taking I equal to 0? Because of array of index number start from the 0. That's why we are initializing the I equal to what here? I equal to 0. If you would like to take I equal to 1, then I could initialize the I equal to 1. So whenever you are taking the arrays, must be I value initialized with 0 here. Now, so 0 is less than n. N equal to what here? Size is 5. Now 0 is less than 5. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. When the condition is true, again what will happen? These block of statements are going to be executed. Now, so S element. What is the S element? Executed. Now, in this for block, we have the another block is called if. So in the if we having the S element is equal to A of I. Means we are comparing the S element with a list of array. So S element equal to what here? S element equal to 15 is equal to A of I. I equal to what here? I equal to 0. Now A of 0 value. A of 0 value equal to what here? 5. So 5 is equal to 15 is equal to 5? Definitely not. Means, so in this A of 0, we didn't find the element. Then what we have to do? Next, if the condition is false, then again what will happen? For get incremented to 1. For get repeated. Now I value incremented to 1. Now I equal to what here? I equal to 1. 1 less than 5. Condition is true or false? The condition is true. Because of 1 is less than 5, then again what will happen? This block of statements are going to be executed. Now in this for block we having another block called if. So in the if we are going to compare search element equal to A of I. I equal to what here? I equal to 1. A of 1 value is what here? A of 1 value is equal to 3. Now 15 is equal to 3. Definitely the condition will be false. When the condition will be false, here. So 15 is equal to 3. Condition is very false. Automatically what will happen? the comparison will be false, then automatically for getting repeated I equal to now 2. So now, so 2 less than 5, condition is true. Then again what will happen, this for block will get incremented now. So here we are going to compare S element equal to A of I equal to what here 2, A of 2 value is equal to 10. Now 15 equal to 10, condition will be false. Then again what will happen, this is not get matched, then we move to the next location. Next what will happen, again for get repeated, now I equal to what here, I equal to 3, 3 less than 5, condition will be true or false, condition will be true. Again what will happen, we are going to compare S element equal to A of I equal to again what here, 3 value equal to what here, 8. So now 15 is equal to 8, condition will be true or false, condition is false. When the condition is false, again what will happen, for loop get repeated, now I equal to what here, I equal to 4. Now 4 is less than 5, condition is true or false, condition is true. When the condition is true, again what will happen, again we are going to compare, search element is equal to A of I equal to what here, 4. 4 is nothing but 13. 15 is equal to 13. Condition is true or false? Condition will be false. When the condition is false, what will happen? We are moving to where? We are moving to the again for loop we get repeated with I equal to what here? With I equal to 5. 5 less than 5. Condition will be false. When the condition will be false, this for block get incremented. For block get terminated. Then the execution control moves to where?